book fell on my head the other day. I only have my shelf to blame. All right, what's up, Flock Model Railroaders? In the basement again. This is the stairs part 2. As you can see, I've got things rearranged quite a bit. I've got some wood set up down here on the floor. That's for the walls that connect the backside of the train room to the wall that's going to be built across the middle of this room. And as you can see, the stairs are done. Yep, I can check everything off on the list for the stairs. The crew is in here on Friday. That was not part of the crew, but everything is checked off for day of stair move, so get rid of that. It's done. My drawing, because I had to draw it about 50 times, and the plans from the interwebs, has a nice sturdy platform on the bottom. I will build out this wall, both sides of the wall, so it matches onto that first step on the landing. And then these treads are just temporary. These are the old treads. I trimmed them down a little bit just to fit on here, just for construction. So once I'm done paint, drywall, etc., then I'll put the nice treads on, and the back piece, which is called the riser. So stairs are done. It looks good. They're very sturdy, and to anyone who says, oh, you didn't do it right, well, these are a heck of a lot better than the stairs that were in here. Oh my gosh. Now it doesn't, yes, I know the door's not centered. I'm going to fix that too. I'm going to have to move the door over 1 or 2 widths of 2x4. I have no idea what he's looking at. Kind of scary when the cat's looking over your head. You wonder what's up there. Anyway, stairs are done. Moving on to the next part of the project, which is building a wall through the middle of this room, and then we'll demo from where the drywall is cut next to the ladder all the way around to that door. That whole wall will disappear, and that will be part of the train room, a bathroom, and storage. So stay tuned. Just a quick update. This is the project for today. Stairs are done. Major hurdle finished and accomplished. Thank you, everyone. I'll talk to you soon. Have a great one.